හොඳයි ඉතින් මා ඔබට මුලින් ආරම්භයේදී කිව්වාක් මෙන් අද දවසේදී මේ කුඩා මිනිසා ජලයට ගලකින් ගහපුවාම පොඩි රැල්ලක් නැගෙන්නේ. හැබැයි ඔය රැල්ල මහා රැල්ලක් වෙන්නට පුළුවන්. හරියට උල්පතක් පටන් ගන්න මහා ගංගාවක් හැදෙන්නා වගේ. ඉතින් අද දවසේදී මේ ශාලාවේ කුඩා පිරිසක් හිටියත් අද මුළු ලෝකයේම බොහෝ දෙනෙක් අප සමග එකතු වී සිටිනවා. ඉතින් ඔවුන් වෙනුවෙන් කතා කරන්නට ගෞරවනීය ආරාධනය අද අප සමග එකතු වී සිටින ආචාර්ය ශාන්ති කුමාර හෙට්ටිආරච්චි මහත්මයාටයි.
This is not a speech, but to welcome all those English-speaking colleagues and friends who are outside Sri Lanka, and also those Tamil-speaking friends and colleagues who are in this country and in other parts of the world who cannot understand and probably difficult to understand our language, what we speak here. What we launch here today is a collection of experiences with the encounter of Linus Jayatulaka in the last 50 years. It has been absolutely a privileged moment for both Susil and me to collate such a immense collection of views, ideas, perspectives, disagreements, as well as agreeing with what Linus stood for. And secondly, it was also our understanding that we will contribute to the left literature in this country. So the book is also a contribution to those researchers, those who wish to and those who would like to learn what happened in the last 50 years in the left movement in this country. And Linus is a key person, a decisive personality who made the course of the left movement into a definitively a good direction. A direction informed by what he was trained for as a committed seminarian and then a priest. And what we found right through the book, both Susil and I had to read the book at least 3 times, and we found that through and through the book, people have continued to say that it was his option and his primary option, that he did not leave the option that he stood for, that he worked for. And that is what we celebrate today, that he did not leave what he committed for. And Linus, we are privileged and we are thankful to you for generations to come for having stood for what you really spoke for and about. And that is what comes out of this text. And therefore, it is a limited amount, and probably we call it signatured books because it is only 500 copies and we may not be able to produce it again. So 500 copies are a signatured book, Linus. It is signatured by your commitment and not with anybody's ink and paint. So we thank you in a way. I think we shouldn't thank him also. We should thank each other for having gifted this person to us, and who has also been so generous with his time and with his knowledge. And one last thing, that he tells us, the new generation, that there is no end to knowledge. And through the writers have continued to say that we must be seekers of knowledge, new knowledge. And that I thought for myself, and I thank him for teaching me that that we must never be satisfied with the knowledge that we have, that we must continue to seek new knowledge, and knowledge that challenges each one of us to commit ourselves more. And thank you, Linus, and thank you for all those who are here in this little room, as you said, but also those who are outside and who will probably have the access to book. And we will try to put this book in the cloud very soon, so that it could be accessed with the new technology by more than little group of people here. And not only those who study, those who could read it, but we will also find equally a good synopsis to this text, if possible, in the months to come. And I thank you.